Hi. Beginning this week, I'm going to provide you with a coming attractions. Essentially, what coming attractions provides is an overview of the week, gives you an idea what you're going to cover, and it also tells you where to focus so you know what work you have to do. All right, so this week you continue discovery and dialogue with your client, me. So it's important to make sure you're continuing to get the answers to the questions that you need. You're continuing interaction on some level, some form, and you are going to submit a report to me. Beginning this week, you will have a report submitted, and then, and this is again what we'll be doing week 4, at the conclusion of week 4, which will be a week from today. So that's Monday, June 8th at 11:59 p.m. You must present a report which updates what you've learned, what you're doing, and the direction you're taking our program in through your consulting project. You are also going to deepen your commitment by looking even further into the concepts that we've discussed thus far. And once the report's in, then in week 5, I send you back feedback. And again, then we go to week 6. So every other week, you're going to produce a report. I hope you are enjoying this as much as I am. And I know that we have our program in the best of hands. So take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Any questions, get in touch. Take care.